Hello everyone, I am Christina, and in this video, I will teach you step by step how to solve this problem to help you prepare for exam 1. So the first thing we want to do is to put the data in ascending order if it's not in already. So ascending order, which is gonna be 8, 12, 15, 15, 18, 20, 22, and 25. And then it's asking us to find the mean, which is x bar, which is equal to all the values divided by n. And n is just how many is there. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our n is equal to 8. X bar. So 16.875, and I'll just put that right here, 16.875. Okay, and then now we're gonna find our mode, and mode just means whatever appears more than once. And for us, it's gonna be 15. So we have 115 and 215. So our mode is gonna be 15. Okay, and then now we're gonna find our median. And our median, since n is 8 and 8 is even, is gonna be the average of the two middle values. And the two middle values are 4, 4, and 5. So it's gonna be 15, 15 plus 18 divided by 2, which is equal to 16.5. And now we're gonna find our range. Our range is just the largest minus the smallest. So we have 25 and 8. 25 minus 8 is 17. So let me put that in different color so it won't be confusing. 25 minus 8 equal to 17. Yeah. And then now we're gonna find the variance. First, we're gonna make a table. And I'm gonna put the table here. So I have x minus the mean, and then I have x minus the mean squared. So I have 8, 12, 15, 15, 18, 20, 22, and 25. Okay, so x minus the mean is going to be 8 minus our mean was 16.875, and then that should be negative 8, negative 8.875. And once you get the hang of it, it's not going to be hard. It's just going to take time to make sure you got it right. And then x minus the mean squared is just going to be what we just had but times itself squared. So that's going to be 78.77. Uh-oh. I skipped one. Okay. So now we have all of it. We will want to add all of these together, which is gonna be, so adding all up, it would be 212.91. And okay, so since this is a sample, we're gonna follow this equation. And this is basically equal to all of it. This just means all of it adding up. So if we follow the step, it would be here. So our variance, or our s squared, would be 30.42. Awesome. So I'm gonna put that up here. 30.42. Okay, and now we're gonna look for the standard deviation, and the standard deviation is just the square root, so is equal to this. So s will be equal to the square root of 42 which is equal to 5.52, which is going to be our S. Okay, and now we're going to look for our quartile, our Q1. So the formula for this, do I have room? Yeah, I have room. So our first quartile, OMG, okay, Q1 is equal to 20% percentile. So the formula should be I is equal to the percent over 100 times n. And since this is 20, the first quartile is going to be 25 divided by 100 times 8, because 8 is our n. And this is equal to 2. 2? Yes, it's going to be equal to 2. And since 2 is an integer, it's going to take the second. Well, here, let's do this. I plus 1. In this case, it's going to be 2 plus 3 divided by 2. And 2 and 3 is going to talk about the position. So if we go back, this is the second and third. So 15 and 12 and 15. So we have 12 plus 15 divided by 2, which is equal to 13.5. So Q1 is equal to this. Let me put that up here. And now we're gonna looking for our second one, our second quartile. So our second quartile, we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna change. Wait, actually, the second quartile is our median. So let me write that down. So Q2 is equal to median. And we can just plug that in. Our median was 16.5. So I have 16.5. Okay, now we can do the third quartile. And the third quartile is the 75 percentile. So I will equal to 75 over 100 times 8, which is equal to 6. And 6 is an integer. So it's going to be 6 plus 7 divided by 2. And 6 plus 7 divided by 2, we have 20 and 22. So we're going to have 20 plus 22 divided by 2 is 21 is equal. So let's put that up here. 21. So many memes today. Okay. So now we're going to find the fourth quartile. And the fourth quartile is, let me write this for you guys. Our fourth, so Q4 is equal to the max value, and which is 25. Let's check. Yeah, so it's gonna be 25. Okay, now we're gonna do percentiles. And yeah, I should have room right here. It says 40. Okay, we have 40 and 90. So let's do 40 first. So it's gonna be up. It's gonna be 40 divided by 100 times 8, which is equal to 3.2. And this is not an integer. So we're gonna round it up to 4. And our fourth position is 15. So our 40 percentile is equal to 15. Yes. Wait. Yeah. 15. Okay, and now we're gonna do our 90th percentile. And our 90th percentile, we're just gonna do the same thing. And still, this is not an integer. So it's gonna be 7.2 rounded up is 8. We're gonna look for 8. Oh wait, 8 is our max. So it's still gonna be 25. Okay, and now we're going to find, let me put, if we have any outline, any outliers. And in this course, it's gonna be 3 standard deviation. So to find it, it's gonna be the mean. I'm gonna write right here. So it's gonna be the mean plus or minus 3 deviations. So it's gonna be, our mean is 16.875 plus or minus 3, and our standard is 5.52. So that's gonna be 16.56 plus or minus 16.875. So minus plus minus is equal to 0.315, and plus is equal to 33.435. And in the end, and I'm gonna just round it out, it's gonna be 0.32 and 33.44. So if we take a look at our things, none of them is less than 0.32 and none of them is over 33. So none out. And so in the end, there's none. Okay, let me close this, put up the work, and if you made it this far, thank you, and I hope, let me see. Thank you, and I hope you guys pass your exam. Bye bye.